So over here you can see that I have an announcement over here and there is a student comment over here as well. So let's say what I want to do is I want to mute this particular student, maybe because the student is spamming and I want to temporarily mute them. In that case, you can go around over here and click on the three dot button over here. And of course, you can delete out the comment, but you can simply go around and mute out that student right here. So once you do that, you can see that it says the muted student can still see and submit work, and other students won't see it, can't reply to classmates' work, and can comment or post, can't comment and post, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and say also delete this comment, and that deletes out the comment as well. And then you can click on mute. So once you do that, what happens is that that particular comment is deleted and that particular student is set to mute. If you want to go ahead and unmute that student, then you can go under people right here, and here you can see the speaker icon with dash in it, denoting that the student has been muted right here. You can go around and then click on this and unmute that particular student, as you can see right here. And as you unmute, you can see that they get all of the privileges back right here. And if you were to click on unmute, then they will be unmuted just like that. You can also go around over here and select out a student and simply mute out the student from over here as well, as you can see, just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and mute and unmute out students inside of Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.